In this tutorial I will going to show on how to depixelate images and convert into high quality image in Photoshop. Welcome to our channel Shazim Creations. Thanks for watching our new tutorial. Please stay with us. So let's start now. Firstly, open your image. This image is very low quality, and to see the pixel, go to image, then image size. In this dialog box give the resolution 300 pixel per inch. And height is 4000 pixel. And select from automatic to preserve details and reduce noise 50%, then OK. In this time select your image layer and select spot healing tool and remove your spot on skin. Now manually copy your layer or press Ctrl J. Now go to filter, then noise, then reduce noise, and follow my work. Please follow me on Twitter, Shazim Creations. Now select the layer and mouse right click and marge down. Now again copy this layer for details, texture, skin. Now go to filter, then sharpen, then unsharp mask, and follow my work. Now select this layer and press Ctrl I for invert. Now go to filter, then other, then high pass. Now select from the blend mode linear light. And rename the layer to details texture. Now hold Alt key and mask on your texture layer. Now select brush tool and make sure to foreground color is white. Now make sure to brush opacity is low and use on your face. Now again copy your main image for smooth skin. Now go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Now again press Alt key and click on mask layer. Now select your top of the layer and press Alt-Ctrl-Shift-E for apply current image. Now apply color balance for more effective. Thanks for watching our full tutorial. I hope you like my tutorial. Please like, comment and please share our videos. Thank you so much for stay with us. See you next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.